What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. I'm not news, it's a discussion channel, guys. So if you like this kind of stuff, check out my other videos, get involved, smash the subscribe button. We're aiming for 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and every subscriber that we get, guys, is one step forward to getting a project car in June. And all my regular subscribers and commenters, just get commenting below. I will bring up your comments every Sunday as well. That is a plan. This is a discussion channel because I want to hear your thoughts and opinions, guys, in the comments below. On today's episode, we're going to be covering one or two big hitters. We're going to be covering DD, Tavarish, SHMEE150 and a few others as well. But also, guys, before we jump into it, if you're interested in coming on the channel, like a podcast, just for a chat about some of your favorite car YouTubers, hit me up. Because on my Instagram, because I really do want to bring people on this channel and hear, you know, what they have to say about other car channels and their thoughts and opinions. I think it would be brilliant. Also suggest, guys, about car channels that are under 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers that I could watch as well. Because as I said, I want to make this a variety of channels to discuss about. And to make this, you know, just a fun channel. And also, guys, tune in on Sunday because I'm going to give the plan for, like, basically I'm going to let you know how much so far I've made from YouTube and the plan going forward to getting your project car hopefully in the summer, and how we're just going to do it by YouTube. So that is a plan, a goal that I have for this year. So definitely tune in for that on Sunday when we do Comment Sunday as well. So let's jump into today's video. Obviously, we're going to kick it off with DD. We have to. One of the latest videos was basically, DD have decided to go away, and Damon has unwrapped his Murcielago. The fuchsia, purple, pink is off, and he's gone back to the yellow. And I must admit, guys, as much as I like the fuchsia purple, the yellow is really nice in it. I was never really a yellow guy, but on a Lamborghini with that pearlescent yellow, I really do like it. It really does suit the car, and I'm pretty glad that he probably just got a bit different. Now we're talking about Dave unwrapping his one, two yellow Lamborghinis. I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about him unwrapping the car, and also what you think of their second channel, the Royalty Exotic Stories. I think they're at like nearly 90,000 subscribers already. They're going to hit the 100,000 subscriber mark in no time. It's a more behind the scenes, like hardcore, not hardcore, as in it's a more adult side to DD. You know, obviously they're cursing in it. Like, I was just watching their latest one about, Dave saying he got marked or something, and they're not giving a shit or whatever. Just, it's cool to see a more serious kind of different side of DD on the DD stories. Let me know what you think of the second channel below. Are you loving it or not? Because I do. I think it's more of an adulty kind of channel than it is on their main channel, which is a good bit of fun as well. Next up, guys, is going to be Tavarish. He's back finally posting regularly. We've gotten our 675 LT content. Look, I mean, it's brilliant that he's finally gotten it, not on the road, but it's close to being there. And just the amount of work him and Jared have put into that machine is ridiculous as well. So it was just funny. Obviously, he kind of kept it as a teaser clip, kind of like, you know, something went majorly wrong when all this kind of smoke came up, but we found out it was just the fire extinguisher was, whatever way he fucking put it, in the passenger seat. It must have hit obviously he had the pin out, he must have hit it and set it off. So here's a quick clip for you guys just showing it going off. It is quite funny.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! Something broke. You just set the fire extinguisher off? Yeah.
There you go, guys. What do you think? Comment below. Are you looking forward to this being finished by Tavarish? I wonder, will he tune the engine, like downpipes, tune, stuff like that? I wonder what the horsepower he's going to go for, if he's going to modify the engine any what way. What colour do you think he's going to put the car? Is he going to stay with orange, or is he going to go a different colour? You know, comment below, guys. I have no idea. I really do love the wheels on the car. Really do love them. That silver and those multi-spokes are sweet. Really do like it. Tavarish finally back now. Just hopefully he keeps up, you know, posting and doesn't get distracted and just gets back to it, because I just love watching him modify cars. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of Tavarish's latest videos as well. Next up is going to be Matt Armstrong. This guy has just been crushing it lately. I mean, he's so close to 2,200 subscribers, guys. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, get over there and subscribe and get him over the 200,000 mark. He's just been doing brilliant. He's gotten his Lamborghini Gallardo. He's going to start modifying that soon. And yeah, he started modifying the Maserati Gran Turismo. He's finally gotten to work on putting on the Wide Arch Liberty kit. It's cool to see the way the kit is being put on fully with the rivets and the cutting of the arches and just the bits and pieces. Like, you know, it must be hard for him to actually, you know, cut into your own car. But I really do like the kit. It is a nice kit. The one thing I didn't know was I thought there would have been more to the rear spoiler. On the rear spoiler, it's literally just I think it's just a rear diffuser that comes up the back, which I don't like, but the rest of the kit I really do like. It is pretty sweet, and he still hasn't decided what color he's going to go. I hope he goes a bright color. I hope he doesn't go a dark color on that kit. I hope he goes a nice bright loud color with those wheels. But you know, he's going to make it sick when it's finished as well, and he's putting air ride into his Gallardo as well, which, fair dues to him. A slam Gallardo looks absolutely ridiculous. I can't wait to see what he does to the Gallardo as well. So yeah, that's going to be, definitely check out his channel, guys. Plenty of action on there and plenty of modifying. I highly recommend you check him out too. Next up as well, we're going to have to cover SHMEE150. I said I was going to do it, guys. I just held off to see what he was going to do to the GT500. I don't know Mustangs or GT500s very, very well, and that's why I don't really like to comment on them, because I don't really know them. I never realized how quick these cars were. Like, I think they're what, over 700 brake horsepower with over 600 foot-pounds of torque. So SHMEE is going to drive it from Florida over to the West Coast, and he's done some decals on it. He's gotten the PPF'd, but he's put on a decal PPF of black stripes. And I saw he had the red calipers, and he said he was going to put the red pinstripes up along it. I was like, oh, that's not going to go well with the green and the black. Oh, how wrong I was. It actually looked really, really nice. I'm surprised how nice the red pinstripe along the black decal came out. And the colour isn't for me. I'm not a green person, unless it was like a matte chrome green, then yeah. Or like a teal kind of green, then I wouldn't mind. But I don't like the colour he chose. But the GT500 is a beast of a car, and it's pretty sick looking. So, you know, you can't go wrong. I'm going to watch more of his GT500 content just to see how it turns out. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the stripes and the red pinstripe that he's put up on the GT500. Is it a yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. And last up but not least, we're going to have to cover Emelia Hartford. Her latest video was she was out at Willow Springs, I think it is, the racetrack. She got invited by Maserati purely because she wanted to go to see the MC20, but she actually got to go in and drive some of the cars that were there. I think it was the new Quattroporte. Excuse my pronunciation, I know it's a piece of shit. And I think the Ghibli was there as well. But obviously the cream to see was the MC20. Definitely check it out, guys. It's a good close-up of the MC20. I really like these cars. I think she said they were going for around 220,000 US. I've said it before, guys. Some of I think the biggest YouTuber cars are going to be like the SF90, the MC20, the Tesla Roadster next year. Like, these are once I think if there's a supercar coming out there that's pretty quick and in demand, that's under usually 300 or 400k, most of the big YouTubers are going to buy it, like Stradman, DDE, Emelia, TJ Hoods, a few others like that. I really think they're the kind of YouTubers that will go for these kind of cars. So I wonder who's going to be the first YouTuber to get the MC20. Comment below and let me know who you think it might be. But yeah, it was cool just to see it up front. It's an amazing car. I love the shape of it. Not too bad on the wheels, but yeah, she's pretty lucky that she was one of the people that got to sit in it and literally open up, you know, the engine compartment and all that kind of stuff. Great coverage by her. But yeah, if you haven't seen it, guys, I highly go and recommend and check out the video. All the links are in the description below. So guys, that is it for today's video. Might have another one out tomorrow, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, smash the like button, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.